Hello everyone, welcome back to Pharma Patashala. In part 1, we followed how a medicine is developed and tested. Now in part 2, let's see what happens after approval, how safety is monitored, rules are followed, and how the medicine finally reaches the patient. So let's start with the sixth one, that is pharmacovigilance or drug safety company. What is pharmacovigilance? So, pharmacovigilance means monitoring drug safety after approval. They track side effects, adverse drug reactions, patient safety reports. For example, imagine a painkiller is approved and sold in the market. Thousands of patients start using it. Most feel better, but a few patients report severe stomach pain after taking it. This is where pharmacovigilance comes in. The work involved in this company is case processing, safety databases, regulatory reporting. Examples of pharmacovigilance or drug safety company: TCS Life Sciences, Cognizant, Accenture, Wipro. So seventh one, regulatory affairs company. So what is regulatory affairs? So the regulatory affairs team ensures medicine follows law of different countries. They handle US FDA submission, ANDA, CTD or ECTD dossiers. For example, let's say a pharmaceutical company wants to sell a tablet in the US market. The medicine is already manufactured, tested in clinical trials, proven safe and effective, but it can't be sold without government approval. So this is where regulatory affairs comes in. Examples of regulatory affairs company: Dr. Reddy's, Lupin, Pexels. Eighth one, sales and marketing pharma companies. So what sales and marketing pharma companies do? So these companies focus on selling and promoting medicine. They interact with doctors, hospital, pharmacies. For example, let's say a company has launched a new blood pressure tablet. The medicine is approved by regulator, manufactured in the factory. But if the doctors don't know about it, patient will never get it. This is where sales and marketing companies comes in. Examples of such company include Abbott, Pfizer, Mankind, Alchem. One, medical devices and diagnostic companies. So basically, medical devices and diagnostic company make surgical instruments, implants, diagnostic kits, medical equipment. Examples of such company include Medtronic, Siemens, Abbott Diagnostics. So these are the companies of medical devices and diagnostics. So 10th one, Pharma IT or life science service company. What they do means they support pharma companies using technology and data. So the works include clinical data management, validation, pharma software support. For example, let's say a pharmaceutical company is running a global clinical trial in multiple countries. So this trial generate patient data, lab results, safety reports, regulatory documents. So managing all this manually is impossible. So this is where pharma IT or life science service companies comes in. Examples of such companies are TCS, Cognizant, Infosys, BPM. So the 11th one, the most important, R&D focused pharma companies. What they do means they discover new drugs, conduct lab research, file patents. For example, let's say scientists want to develop a new medicine for cancer. There is no ready drug yet. Everything should start from research. So these works happen inside R&D focused pharma company. Examples of such companies include Dr. Reddy's R&D, Sun Pharma R&D, Biocon Research. 1. Herbal and nutraceutical companies. Herbal and nutraceutical companies develop product using plants, herbs, natural extract, vitamins and minerals. So they basically prepare herbal medicines, supplements. So these are used for prevention, wellness and long-term health. Examples of such companies include Himalaya, Dabur, Patanjali. Today, you didn't just learn about company types. You learned how a medicine travels from an idea to a patient. Every pharma company has a role. Every role has a value, and every fresher has a place in this industry. In the coming videos, we will deep dive into each company type one by one, understanding daily work, freshers' role, skill required, salaries, and growth paths. So, if you are a pharmacy student or a fresher feeling confused, don't worry, this is series for you. Follow along, learn patiently, and remember, your pharma journey is just a beginning.